Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I am going to make one of the most popular party cocktail recipes for you. The one and only, Bloody Kamikaze. If you love this recipe, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Today I am using an old-fashioned glass, but you can use martini glass for this recipe. I will fill the glass with lots of fresh ice. Always use fresh ice, as fresh ice melts slowly, and keeps the drink fresh for a longer time. Now I will pour 1 ounce of lime mix. Lime mix is a little thinner, and less tangy than lemon juice. ½ ounce of triple sec. I am using a syrup instead of liqueur, which is easily available in the market. ½ ounce of blood orange syrup. You can check the detailed recipe in the description box. I will pour 1½ ounces of classic vodka. You can use any of your favorite vodka. Now I will add 4 to 6 ice cubes, and shake vigorously. It is interesting to know that this amazing cocktail was named after the Japanese word, kamikaze, meaning divine wind. I will be happy if you try this recipe at your next party, and share your experience with me. I will use a cocktail strainer to strain the cocktail. Now I will use a dehydrated orange slice to garnish this cocktail. The dehydrated orange slice looks a little gorgeous, though you can always use a fresh one. Here you go, the gorgeous Bloody Kamikaze cocktail is ready for you. If you want to drink it as a shot, then pour it into a shot glass. Please don't forget to share this recipe with your family and friends. Here you go. Your Bloody Kamikaze shot is ready. Cheers for your good health and beautiful life. Thanks for watching Spice Trail. See you soon with another exciting cocktail recipe. Till then, keep watching.